Hi everyone, and welcome to Physiology Capsules. In this lecture, I will talk about the red blood cells, known as erythrocytes. What is PCV, packed cell volumes? The percentage of cells in blood is called the packed cell volumes and is called also the hematocrit. The condition of having too few red blood cells is known as anemia, while having too many is polycythemia. Physical characteristics of the red blood cells are the shape, biconcave disc, diameter 7.5 micrometer, thickness 1 micrometer in center and 2 micrometer in the edges. The red blood cells have a lifespan of approximately 100 to 120 days after they have completed their lifespan, and they are removed from the bloodstream by the spleen. What are the components of the red blood cells? Components of the red blood cells. The main component of the red blood cells is the hemoglobin. The cytoplasm of a red blood cell is rich in hemoglobin, an iron-containing biomolecule that can bind oxygen and is responsible for the red color of the cells and the blood. The RBCs doesn't contain nucleus or nor mitochondria. What are the functions of the RBCs? Transport oxygen, transport carbon dioxide, works as a buffer, and contain antigens on its surface that determine the type of blood group.